My views are very clear on what is the mother of all issues, and that is campaign financing that relies on large private donations to elect our office holders. My view of this problem comes from personal experience. My husband was a longtime public office holder. My son is a longtime public office holder. I've been asked numerous times to run for Congress, run for mayor of a large city, and so on. And I have a lot of friends who've run for office. So I've seen the campaign financing system from the inside. 2 states in the U.S. have implemented public financing of campaigns. It's called the clean money system, Maine and Arizona. Now, those are much less populous states. Have simpler politics, and they're smaller states, and so on. So the argument is often used that California could not implement such a system because it is so large, the industries are so big, it's so spread out, and so on. My view is that it can be implemented in California just as it has been in these other states, only on a larger scale. I think it was the Secretary of Corporations in Arizona, and it's an office we don't really have here in California. It's kind of like the Secretary of Commerce or Business or whatever. And this person told me that it was such a relief to him when he came back to his office and he had a whole stack of phone messages on his desk, that before the public campaign financing system, he would leaf through them to find the important people, the big donors, and so on. And he said after the system went into effect, he just took the messages one by one, and it was as important for him to talk to a citizen or a representative of a nonprofit group or whatever as it was to talk to a lobbyist or a representative of a large company. So that's a first-person account of what it has meant to a state official in Arizona.